Where do you see AI video today on the maturity curve? Early experimentation, mainstream adoption, or just the beginning?
Geoffrey there's a famous book from the 90s called The Crossing the Chasm. He talks about these stages of adoption, where the first stage is usually innovators, the second stage is early adopters, then you have the early majority, late majority, and the laggards. And I feel AI video is kind of between innovators and early adopters still. I don't think it has taken into the early majority phase. The generative AI pieces, the example that you've probably seen on X and so many platforms, like here's like a video that was generated. While it seems like very easy, just put a prompt in there, there's a lot of fiddling and a lot of iterations on those prompts. And I've tried many of those things myself. You just have to iterate and iterate and iterate. So while it seems simple, it's not simple. So I feel like that's even early. Only the innovators are creating those videos yet. So I feel like this whole AI video space is in the innovators and the early adopters phase.